As home gains momentum, electric pressure cookers have surged in popularity, offering convenience, speed, and versatility. These appliances are loved by busy families, meal preppers, and health-conscious cooks alike. In this guide, we evaluate the top models based on cooking functions, capacity, ease of use, build quality, smart features, and overall value. Whether you're cooking rice, stews, yogurt, or entire meals, these devices make your kitchen more efficient.
List number: Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. A fan favorite for a reason, the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 is a dependable multitasker that combines pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, sautéing, rice cooking, yogurt making, and food warming in one compact device. The 6-quart size is ideal for families, and its one-touch programs make meal prep simple. List 2. Comfee's Pressure Cooker 8-quart with 16 cooking functions. This Comfee's 8-quart pressure cooker stands out for its larger capacity and 16 smart cooking programs, allowing you to cook everything from rice and stews to yogurt and beans. Its non-stick inner pot makes cleaning a breeze, and the LED digital display simplifies operation. It offers time and pressure customization, giving more control over recipes, with safety features like pressure limiters and lid lock indicators. List 3. Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multicooker. The Instant Pot Duo Plus adds 2 extra functions to the classic Duo, bringing the total to 9-in-1. It includes cake making and egg cooking, making it even more versatile. Its easy seal lid automatically seals when you close it, and the bright LCD screen provides intuitive control over settings and progress. It retains all the beloved features of the Duo: smart programs, safety measures. List number: Instant Pot 8-quart Whisper Quiet 9-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker, designed for quieter performance and larger portions. This Instant Pot Whisper Quiet 9-in-1 is excellent for big families or small gatherings. The 8-quart capacity suits batch cooking, while the 9 functions, including pressure cook, steam, rice, yogurt, and slow cook, ensure you won't need multiple appliances. What sets it apart is its Whisper Quiet steam release, reducing kitchen noise significantly. List number 5. Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker with Wi-Fi and built-in scale. The Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker is a tech lover's dream. It offers 10-in-1 functionality, a built-in smart scale, and Wi-Fi connectivity for app-controlled precision. You get access to 500+ guided recipes with step-by-step cooking instructions via the Chef IQ app. The cooker adjusts water and pressure automatically based on what you're cooking. The 6-quart non-stick pot ensures easy cleaning.